oxygenizes the brain, boosts productivity, and improves better sleep. Holtop Comfort Heat Recovery Ventilator improves high indoor air quality. Available for 250, 350, and 500 air volume. Hi, this is Haley from Holtop. Today I want to show you this machine. EPP structure ensures the airtightness and thermal insulation, making the maximum external and internal leakage rate is less than 5%. One multiple counterflow sensible heat exchanger, heat efficiency up to 95% and lifetime up to 15 years. In addition, just an optional replacement of an LTP counterflow heat exchanger, the HRV becomes to be ERV. Recover the heat moisture at the same time. The heat efficiency is up to 90% and the humidity efficiency is up to 80%. Also, it combines by two AC constant airflow fans, which always guarantee a counterflow air volume no matter the air resistance in the duct or the filters get dirty. Two pieces G4 primary filters removes 95% of duct in the air, and the higher grade optional F7 filter is available. The most important is it's certified by CE, RoHS, and UKCA certification, so our product makes it easier to enjoy fresh and healthy air. Okay, next video I will show you is flexible control system. See you!